Don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on the bell for notifications. Got an order in on January 31st, 2020. Just putting up my video. Hello, this is Jessica from Lovely Marie Creations. So today I got my HSN order in and I got this. This is kind of a sketch set. So it comes with some nice coloring. What is it? Coloring blending pencils, as well as another pack right here. And a DVD. I did not see any papers for it, so I'm going to have to get her some from the store. And this one is for my daughter, Emily. She likes to draw. And then she wants to learn calligraphy, so I kind of got her this. This was on clearance. It's a practice pad and a practice for the calligraphy. So, and she has the markers. The markers for there. So, all right. So let me set up this Okay, and for the reveal, I ended up getting something for myself. I wasn't going to get it, but it ended up coming back in stock, the color I wanted. So check this out. Went to change pricing. I ended up getting something new to my collection for to create some crafting. So I got the Gemini. Right here. I just got home from work a little earlier, so I still have my scrubs. So, let me see. Maybe chips on my table. All right. So it's pretty big. Let me see. Where is my? I never have my. Let's see. It's almost as big as my Cricut maker, but it's not that big. But it's still, this was a heavy box for me to carry, especially including her stuff. So, okay, so before this, okay, this came with an embossing folder. So, kind of glad. Let me see. So I can play with this a little bit. Also, this set right here. I think there's two things in here. Oh, there's an 8-piece, but that's all the same, but different sizes. And then this is a 2-piece right here. Another, what is it? Is it in embossing? No, it's in the cutting one. It's also an embossing. No, it's a cutting. I could probably add some, what is it? I have the foil stuff, so I can probably put some up there. I got the Deco Art 2, I think that's what it's called. It's a cold and a warm embossing. So I could probably do that on this. We'll see. I might have to clean it. Also comes with these right here. Some stamps. This right here. As well as another stamp and this. Okay. So that's all the extras that came with. All right, so it comes with a plate. Ooh. This is how big the opening is. So it goes into a 9 by 12.5. I think it could go longer as well. So I'll have to look into that. Might not need it. So that comes with 2 of these. Magnetic shim. The rubber embossing mat. Metal cutting plate. Okay. Oh, and the cleaner, the polisher, as well as a plastic shim. Okay. So the color I got is rose gold. If they had like a mint color or a teal, I probably would have got that, but aside from that, I prefer the rose gold than the gold or the silver there. Okay. I should get my daughter's help. Emily, pop those out. Yeah, I got that one right there. Pop that one out. That's kind of heavy. Shit. Okay. I have to hold this. I'll put that box on the floor. Okay. Comes with a little guide. Plug. And the machine. I got 30 days to play with this for a refund. If I don't like it, if I'm not going to use it. But I don't know. It's good. Look at that. It's all, see? It's like a mirror. This over here. Don't mind my, gotta pick up that little alarm down there. And then use it, okay. So here it is. Okay. Compared to the Cricut, that's how big it is. It's a little horse there. Okay. So that's my new thing. Compared to my, gotta clean this up. I need to use that one too. So this is a new Gemini that I have. Yeah, let me see. I can see the back. Okay. Here's the back of it. There's a switch there, the plug area there. So the bottom, I can't see myself, so that's the bottom part. So I gotta see what that is. I guess it's nothing. Yeah, okay. So and that's it, and that's where the opening's at. Rewind, play, pause, and then the power button. So, okay. I'm just doing that unboxing for right now, since I'm about to go to get changed, go to bed. It's 2/3/2020. Just wanted to just show you the top again and the front, as well as the side of this Gemini, and also the back side where the plug, the on and off switch is, as well as where the extension plug that came with it goes. I do have to make sure I have my polisher, nobody touches it, because every time you put your fingers on it, you'll get smudge marks, so you see on the right side. But here's my unboxing of my Gemini, as well as a few days later, now that I had a night off from work. See you guys later.